So here we are given the ratio of kerosene and petrol is 7:3. So we denote this as K and this as P. So K/P is 7:3 and the total mixture is 60 liter. So now we can assume, like, if it's 7:3, that means the total K plus P is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So out of this 10 liter, 7 liter is kerosene and 3 liter is petrol. But in reality, we have in total 60 liter. So what we can do is, like, this 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. So we have to multiply this 7 and 3 with this 6. So we will get 7 into 6, 42, 3 into 6, 18. So the 42 is kerosene and 18 is petrol. So now the question wants that the ratio will be 3:7 and we need to add how many liters of petrol. So it's important that the kerosene is constant. We are not adding any kerosene in the mixture. So we got 42, so it will be same as before, but we need to add some extent amount of petrol that we don't know. So we assume that as X, and we have already 18, so we can write this, and this ratio will be 3:7. So now if we solve for it, so we will get 3x plus 54. We multiply this cross multiplication, 42 into 7. So we get 3x equal to 42 into 7 minus 54. So x will be 42 into 7 minus 54 divided by 3. So it will be 80 liter. So we need to add 80 liter of petrol in the solution, and that's our answer.